it's almost done. He's gonna start making dime welds. Make a dime stop.
I just did like the 4 corners to keep it there. Just to keep it straight.
Yeah, to keep it.
And then you're gonna go all around.
It's hard to weld when you can't, weld this, right? Because you want this to move, right? So you can't weld it like a normal weld. You have to dap it. Because...
Well, you gotta give it time to...
Yeah.
Cool off, to weld again, and cool off. So, like, you barely can do much on it.
Do you like your weld job?
Well, it's just to hold it, but yeah. I only did the 4 corners to keep it there.
And it was a bitch to do. I'll show you the one video of it taking so long for him to set it up.
Well, just to make it straight. I don't want it crooked. So I only did the 4 corners to keep it like that, and tomorrow when it's daylight, I'll go all the way around.
Yeah, I couldn't post a video of him welding because when he finished trying to get it straight and stuff, it got dark out, and I couldn't.
It wasn't dark, but
it wasn't recordable.
Only made like little tack.
Tack.
Just keep it there.
Beautiful.
So now it's straight.
Straight as a motherfucker. And that's what it looks like. Sort of.
Well, that's what it's gonna look like.
That's what it's gonna... Seriously, Rick.
Well, and then there's gonna be a piece that goes in there. Like that.
You know what that kind of looks like? A wrench. Doesn't it? Maybe you could use the wrench to do this controller. It wouldn't have went like that.
I need a bearing in it.
Yeah.
And that's to set it up how, if I want it a little higher or lower. Like
so it's universal kind of deal.
Well, that's going to attach to the knuckle, right? And then I can make it low like that or make it higher or whatever. However I want it. Like that. Like that.
Knowing Rick, he'll put it all the way because he likes things very low or all the fucking way.
You don't get it.
No, I don't. Does anybody get it? What? If I don't get it, some people don't get it. So
well, a regular tie rod end on a car, they're like this. And the tip attached to the knuckle, and you just go like
I'll
this.
show you when he puts the tie rod on, because I really don't know where the tie rod is. So when he does it, I'll show everybody where it is and stuff.
That's a regular one that looks like that, but it only moves a little bit. But this one goes like that, and it actually like moves a lot more. Freely. So I can get the wheel would turn more.
Oui.